Hey everyone! Welcome back to Ash English Lab. Today we are going to learn English with a simple and interesting story. This story is perfect for A1 to A2 English learners. The sentences are easy, the words are simple, and the story is fun. So relax, listen carefully, and read with me. Let's start our English story. Story: The Lost Wallet. Anna was a kind young woman. She lived in a small town in the United States. Anna worked in a bakery. Every morning she woke up at 6 o'clock. She made fresh bread, cakes, and cookies. People in the town loved her bakery. Anna was always happy. She smiled at every customer. One Monday morning, Anna was walking to work. The weather was sunny and beautiful. She walked through the park near her house. While walking, Anna saw something on the ground. It was a brown wallet. Anna picked it up. She opened the wallet carefully. Inside, she saw some money. There were also some cards. Anna found an ID card. The wallet belonged to a man named Mr. John Smith. Anna looked at the photo on the ID. She did not know him. She thought for a moment. She said, "I must return this wallet." Anna was honest. She did not want to keep the money. She looked at the address on the ID card. It was not far from the bakery. Anna decided to go there after work. Then she continued walking to the bakery. At work, Anna helped many customers. She sold bread and cakes all day, but she kept thinking about the wallet. After work, Anna took the wallet and walked to the address. Soon she arrived at a small blue house. She knocked on the door. An old man opened it. Anna smiled and asked, "Are you Mr. John Smith?" The man looked surprised. He said, "Yes, I am." Anna showed him the wallet. She said, "I found this wallet in the park this morning." The old man's eyes became wide. He said, "Oh wow, I lost it this morning." He looked very happy. He opened the wallet. Everything was inside. The money was there. The cards were there. Mr. Smith smiled warmly. He said, "Thank you so much. You are very honest." Anna smiled. She said, "You're welcome." Mr. Smith wanted to give her some money as a reward, but Anna said, "No, thank you. I just wanted to help." Mr. Smith was touched. He said, "Kind people like you make the world better." Anna felt happy. She said goodbye and walked home. The next morning, Anna went to work as usual. When she arrived at the bakery, something surprising happened. Mr. Smith was there. He was standing inside the bakery with flowers. He smiled and said, "These flowers are for you." Anna was surprised. She said, "Thank you. That is very kind." Mr. Smith also bought cakes and bread. Then he told everyone in the bakery Anna is a very honest and kind person. The customers smiled. They were impressed. Soon many people in town heard the story. They wanted to visit Anna's bakery. More customers came every day. Anna's bakery became very popular. Her business grew bigger and bigger. Anna was happy. She learned something important. When you do something good, good things come back to you. And Mr. Smith never forgot Anna's kindness. They became good friends. From that day, Anna believed even more in honesty and kindness, and her small act of kindness changed her life. Lesson from the story: this story teaches us an important lesson. Always be honest and kind. Helping others can bring happiness. Even small good actions can make a big difference. I hope you enjoyed this easy English story. If this story helped you learn English, please like this video, subscribe to the channel for more easy English stories. And comment below. I will always be honest. See you in the next amazing video. Thanks for watching this video from Ash English Lab.